The seventh position in our list is taken by a BBK group company, that is Realme. Realme is a smartphone company. The company also produces other products such as televisions and headphones. The founder of Realme is Kai Li. It was founded on May 4, 2018, that is 2 years ago. The headquarters of Realme is in Shenzhen, China. Area served is worldwide. One of the fastest growing smartphone brands globally, Realme shipped 7.2 million units during the quarter of 2020. On its first anniversary, Realme announced it was going to be entertaining the mainland China's and Taiwanese markets and sold about 15 million handsets in its first year of operation. That's literally amazing. Vivo follows the sibling Oppo at number 6. Vivo Communication Technology Corporation Limited is a Chinese technology company owned by BBK Electronics that designs and develops smartphones, smartphone accessories, software and online services. The company develops software for its phones distributed through its Vivo App Store, with iManager included in their property. Android-based operating system, FunTouch operating system. The founder of Vivo is Shen Wei. It was founded in 2009, that is 11 years ago. Headquarters of Vivo is in Dongguan, Guangdong, China. Area served is worldwide except some countries. The BBK Group company shipped 21.6 million units in the first quarter of 2020. Vivo has designed numerous phones including several concept phones. Vivo V series are the flagship cell phone models of the company. Now Oppo gets the 5th position in our list. Oppo is a Chinese consumer electronics and mobile communications company. It is a subsidiary of BBK Electronics Corporation along with OnePlus, Vivo and Realme. Its major product lines include smartphones, Blu-ray players and other electronic devices. The founder of Oppo is Tony Chen. It was founded in 2001, that is 19 years ago. Headquarters of Oppo is in Dongguan, Guangdong, China. Area served is worldwide. Oppo sold 22.3 million smartphone shipments in the first quarter of 2020. In 2019, Oppo became a sponsoring partner of the French Open Grand Slam tennis tournament that is held in Roland Garros, Paris. The 4th spot in our list is taken by Xiaomi. The Chinese smartphone brand holds 10% market share. Xiaomi Corporation is a Chinese electronics company. Xiaomi makes and invests in smartphones, mobile apps, laptops, bags, earphones, shoes, fitness bands, and many other products. Xiaomi is also the 4th company after Apple, Samsung, and Huawei to have self-developed mobile phone chip capabilities. The founder of Xiaomi is Li Jun. It was founded on 6 April 2010, that is 10 years ago. Headquarters of Xiaomi is in Hainan District, Beijing, China. Area served is worldwide. Xiaomi's 29.7 million units shipped in the first quarter of 2020. The company listed at the Hong Kong Stock Exchange since 2018. Here comes number 3, that is Apple. iPhone maker stands at number 3 with a giant's market share stands at 14%. Apple Inc. is an American multinational technology company that designs, develops and sells consumer electronics, computer software and online services. It is considered one of the big technology companies alongside Amazon, Google, Microsoft and Facebook. The founders of Apple are Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak and Ronald Wayne. It was founded on April 1, 1976, that is 44 years ago. The headquarters of Apple is in California, United States. Area served is worldwide. The Apple company has a high level of brand loyalty and is ranked as the world's most valuable brand. I guess it's true. There is 40 million iPhone shipments across the world in the first quarter of 2020. At position 2 in our list is a Chinese mobile brand, Huawei, with 17% market share. Huawei is a Chinese multinational technology company. It provides telecommunications equipment and sells consumer electronics like smartphones. The founder of Huawei is Ren Zhengfen. It was founded in 1987, that is 33 years ago. The headquarters is in Shenzhen, China. Area served of Huawei is worldwide, except United States since 2019. Huawei shipped 49 million smartphones during the quarter of 2020. It overtook Apple in 2018 as the second largest manufacturer of smartphones in the world, behind Samsung Electronics. That's amazing. Number 1 is undoubtedly the Samsung brand company. Samsung once again tops the table with 20% market share globally. Samsung is a South Korean multinational conglomerate. It comprises numerous affiliated businesses, most of them united under the Samsung brand. The founder of Samsung is Lee Byung-chul. It was founded on 1 March 1938, that is 82 years ago in Daegu, Japanese Korea. The headquarters of Samsung is in Seocho District, Seoul, South Korea. Area served is worldwide. The South Korean tech giant shipped 59 million Samsung phones in the first quarter of 2020. Samsung has a powerful influence on South Korea's economic development, politics, media, and most of all, culture.